Hey Pixel fans, the July update is now rolling out to phones. And if you're curious which ones, that's the Pixel 4 series, 5 series, and 6 series. The 3A series is officially done. It's not getting any more security patches, unfortunately. But Pixel 4 and on, all the way to the Pixel 6, 6 Pro, go ahead and check it out. Now, if you're curious on how to download it manually, if you don't have automatic updates on, then you'll have to go into your settings. I'll just run you through this real quick. Short, simple, and easy. You swipe down, you go to settings, then you go down to System, and then you go to System Update. Once you're there, you'll have the green block down here. Sometimes it automatically shows up. Mine, basically every time I have to hit this button to check for updates. There we go. Mine's still showing that it's up to date, so I haven't received it yet. This is something else that I want to talk about. There's actually a few things I want to talk about. One, if you notice, I already released a video this morning saying where is the update, because a lot of people were concerned it didn't drop on the first Monday of the month, which was the 4th of July. I don't think a lot of people realistically expected it to drop on the 4th of July because that's one of the biggest U.S. holidays that there are, and it's a federal holiday. So my thought process is they want to take the day off, understandable. Most other people are taking the day off too, but there's an even bigger ramification to that. What would happen if they were to automatically push out the July update and then it started having problems and then nobody's there to fix it? They would have to be trying to scramble to get everything back working or whatever. Not that there's been too many catastrophic updates, but we have had some that have caused problems before. So it seems like today was a day. Now, I thought they weren't going to release it till the following Monday since the 4th of July was a holiday. But apparently in the past, when they've dropped them, and normally it's fallen on a Monday holiday, seems like they do it on Wednesday. So news to me, teachable moment. That's fine. I like to learn new things, and hopefully you guys do too. I don't know the answer to everything. So my speculation was at the latest, it would be next Monday. I also said in the video, I wouldn't be surprised if it dropped today. Of course, irony, it would drop today because I released the other video saying, where is it? So it's here. If it's not there yet for you to download, don't worry. It usually rolls out over a couple of days. Now, mine usually shows up in the afternoon time. Usually around 5 or 6 o'clock is when mine is available. But that doesn't mean it hasn't gone later before. And this is something we ran into last month with the June update, with the quarterly feature drop. Mine actually took a couple of days to show up. And it seems like what happened was they did an initial push, kind of started pushing it out more so internationally than in the United States. And then about 2 days later, they dropped the hammer and just started sending it out to everybody. So if you don't get it for the first 2 days, don't fret over it. It will get there. It will get there eventually. And all you have to do is, just like I did in the settings and showed you a few minutes ago, system settings, download, check for the update. And you can check as many times as you want. Like, you don't get penalized. They don't send you a bill in the mail if you keep checking it and it's not there. Now, of course, live your life. There's nothing here that's really that crazy that absolutely you have to have right this second. So there are only a few changes. Actually, there's only one change. Well, two. Sorry, there's two changes with this patch. One is it's now going to say that you have the July update in your settings. The second one is they are dropping a feature that's supposed to impact VoLTE, voice over LTE, in I think the EMEU. That's Europe, Middle East, or EMEA, Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Yeah, so there's something there, and I think also the APAC, Asian and Pacific area. So something that's going to impact the voice over LTE there. I think maybe some expanded functionality. Nothing crazy whatsoever. If you live in the United States, there will be no tangible difference. All it is just a monthly security update where if they find anything new that they can address, that cleans up loopholes, that finds things that they could be exploited, or if there's any major things that need to be patched when it comes to security stuff, that's what they do. And that's one thing I like about the Google Pixel phones. Every month, almost always, we get the monthly security patch update. And just like I was talking about earlier, though, they need to stay on top of their game because Samsung, they already released their July update. So they were a couple of days ahead, and they didn't take the 4th of July off. But one big contrast here is Samsung is a South Korean company, and Google is a U.S. company. So the 4th of July, I don't think is very celebrated over in South Korea. So it would make sense that they dropped it first and not Google. But, I mean, still, when you look at it, people just look at dates. They don't go, oh, well, that was the 4th of July. Those lazy Americans, they took off, and they didn't push our security patch update. And some people were concerned. That's why I went ahead and dropped the video. I waited yesterday. I thought if they didn't drop it on Monday, it would have been Tuesday. That didn't happen, so I'm like, okay, well, maybe it'll be next Monday then. And I did some looking around. I didn't see anything that said it was going to be Wednesday. So, I don't know. Maybe there was something there. If there was, I totally missed it. But regardless, it's here now. If it's not available for you to download immediately, it will be. And worst case scenario, if you're just so antsy that you don't want to wait for the OTA to pop up so you can download it on your phone, you can go to the Google developer website and you can download it and you can sideload it onto your phone if you know how. The update files are already there and they post there at the same time they start rolling out. So you can always go get it there. And I've actually got a video on how to sideload that should be up here, or maybe it's here, I don't know. It'll pop up. You can click on it if you really want to. I would say wait though. There's nothing here that you absolutely have to have that I think you should go and sideload it. It's not going to change anything. So don't worry about that. But again though, if you absolutely have to, go sideload it. But honestly, just wait for it to show up. It'll probably be there this afternoon. If not, it'll be there sometime in the next couple of days. And then you can go on about your life because you have the July security patch update for your Pixel 4, 5, or 6 series phone. So that's all I've got in this video. If you have any questions or comments, please go down in the comment section. I will get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.